6 ways to earn a woman's trust forever. Hey there, welcome to Love Signs Decoded. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship, but earning a girl's trust, that's next level stuff. Today, I'll share 6 simple but powerful ways to make her trust you forever, and the last 2 will surely work. So let's dive in. First, don't promise something and then fail to deliver. If you say you'll do something, do it. When you break promises, it weakens the bond you've built. Think about it. How can she trust you if you don't keep your word? Even small things like showing up on time or following through on your plans can mean the world to her. Next, don't keep secrets from her. Hiding things creates doubt. Instead, be open about your friends, your plans, and even your dreams. Show her you trust her enough to share everything. This one's big. Let her check your phone. If you're not hiding anything, why be afraid? When you're transparent about your social media contacts and texts, it tells her there's nothing shady going on. Trust is built on honesty, and this move speaks volumes. Make her feel like a queen. When you praise her in front of other girls, it's like shouting to the world, "She's the one." Compliments build her confidence and trust in you because you're showing her she's your priority. This might seem small, but it's huge. If she calls or texts you, respond. Leaving her hanging creates anxiety and insecurities, which can hurt the relationship. Be reliable, it'll show her she's important to you. Finally, trust goes both ways. If you want her to trust you, show that you trust her. Believe in her, respect her choices, and give her space to be herself. When trust is mutual, your bond becomes unbreakable. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. You can also share your experience in comments. Until next time, keep building trust and spreading love.